Welcome to Kinetic. We are so happy to have you as our customer. This guide will assist you with installing your Nokia gateway. You may know the gateway as a modem or router. Located within your home is either a green Ethernet wall jack or a Kinetic Fiber Optic Network Terminal, or ONT. Your ONT could be either a black or white box. If you have the Kinetic Fiber ONT, please follow these steps. Make sure both the ONT and your gateway are plugged into a power outlet. Plug one end of the provided Ethernet cable into the Kinetic Fiber ONT and the other end into the blue WAN port on the back of the gateway. If you have the green Ethernet wall jack, please follow these steps. Plug the power cord into the gateway. Plug one end of the provided Ethernet cable into the green wall jack and the other end into the blue WAN or LAN port on the back of the gateway. Now let's set up your Wi-Fi connections. Locate the SSID and password on the sticker on the bottom of your gateway. You may now use this information to connect your personal devices to your Wi-Fi. Please follow your device manufacturer's instructions for joining the Wi-Fi network. For devices you wish to connect directly to the gateway, what we call a wired connection, follow these steps. Please note you will need to provide your own Ethernet cables to connect your wired devices. Connect an Ethernet cable to any LAN port on the back of your gateway. Connect the other end of the yellow Ethernet cable to your device's Ethernet port. Finally, follow these steps to finish the setup process. The Nokia gateway only has one light. Wait until the light is solid blue or solid green. This can take several minutes if the gateway has software updates to perform. Open your internet browser and you should be redirected to an activation page that will guide you through the rest of the install process. You'll be able to browse once the install process is complete. Once your gateway is installed, you can access other FAQs, chat with us, and manage your Wi-Fi connection all from the Go Kinetic app. Check out the video link on screen to learn more.